Hey guys, it's Sandy. If you're new here, I do crafts, and today we are trying out this Hibiscus natural dye kit from Apple Oak Fibre Works. I've done a few of their kits before, and they always turn out really good. They're absolutely stunning. They come with your dye instructions and recipe, everything you need, a nice project bag, and like care information and stuff. It doesn't come with yarn, but I am using their sock base, which is, it's silk and wool. I think it's 80% wool and 20%, no, 60% wool, 20% ramie fiber, and 20% silk. I'll correct myself later if that's wrong. So I usually hot mordant these because I'm impatient, but today I thought I'd try a cold mordant because I've noticed that my wool isn't keeping its softness as nicely. So in this pack you get your hibiscus, your iron mordant to turn yellow into green into satin colors, your cream of tartar, and your alum natural mordant, which is what I need right now. So yeah. I'm just going to set up the cold mordant as in the instructions, so I think I just dissolve this and add the, I dissolve this in boiling water and then I add water. I'm going to pop reusable zip ties onto that, and then yeah, I'll start the dye process tomorrow. But I'm very excited about this. Apparently this makes purple and pink. Yeah, these instructions are honestly so well done because they have the little squares. Anyway, I'll talk about this all at the end. And yeah, so let's get mordanting. Okay, so hibiscus. I kind of honestly got really into the dye process, and things were just going on in my house that made things a little bit manic that day. So I wasn't so great at filming during the actual process. To be fair, my house was always a little bit manic, but it was just like extra manic. So yeah, this is the hibiscus. So this is the straight up hibiscus. This is with the modifier, and this is my half and half skein. Yeah, I mean, they're not, on here they don't look vastly different, but on the two straight up skeins they kind of do. I mean, I guess that's what they mean when they say it saddens colors, because it is, I don't know, I really like gray, so for me it's like happier, but yeah, I think these are beautiful. The hibiscus smelled so good. That is one thing with natural dyes. I find stuff either smells really good or it really just like is kind of gross. But this one, oh my god, smelled so good. Definitely cold mordanting all my fiber now. I've dyed a few more things since and I cold mordant all the way. It does keep the softness in the yarn. You know, any little bit of trauma you can save the yarn going through, you might as well. And yeah, I was right, it is wool silk ramie. So in any case, as per usual, this is another Apple Oak Fibre Works dye kit I'd highly recommend. The colors are not as stunningly vibrant as some of the other ones. Like, it is a bit more subdued. I think hibiscus is maybe a newer dye plant, especially given hibiscus. Like, you'd think it'd be a lot punchier, but you know, I love these colors. Like, I think they're so subtle and so beautiful, and they're gonna make me some amazing socks. But yeah, if you're considering natural dye, 100% go Apple Oak Fibre Works. They are truly amazing. Their stuff always works. Their instructions are great. Like, yeah, and I mean, their entire process is so environmentally friendly. To do completely plastic-free packaging is bonkers. Everything's so good, and you can reuse those boxes. I forgot to mention it. The stickers peel off the boxes so beautifully. And I know it's such, I think I say this in every video, it's such a dumb thing to be so excited about, but I mean, you know, you just get a good box. Like, it's, ugh, and you can just put anything. I reuse them. I feel like these boxes are gonna get my life together. So it's just, yeah, all over a great experience, especially with this one, because, and again, the smell, oh my god, it's gorgeous. But yeah, I love these. They're so pretty. So yeah, if you want to see me dye more, then stick around, subscribe. I do like a lot of knitting and stuff. I will make socks with these eventually, and yeah, a lot of sewing and clothes making and whatever. But yeah, so nice to chat again, and I hope you guys will try this kit. Bye!